Down of the corona, we are moving toward Ranjay village in Pune district in Baramawar. Now we will be approaching the Katraj Ghat. After Katraj Ghat, around 10 kilometer, we have to take a diversion and reach the Ranjay Gaon. Ranjay Gaon is very famous in the Maratha history because the Ranjay Gaon's Patil, Mr. Bauji Bhikaji Gujar, was suitably punished by Shivaji Maharaj for raping the women of that village. And Shivaji Maharaj ordered to cut his hands and legs so other Patils and Deshmukh know how to behave with the women. And also the Ranjagaon is very famous for the Ranjeshwar temple. Old Ranjeshwar temple is the Mahadev Mandir is there, and side of the Mahadev Mandir you can see there is some water management, how the tanks, the water preservation was done that time. Also Baramawal is very famous, where the Sar Senapati Baji Pasalkar was one of the first Sar Senapati of Shivaji Maharaj army. And now in this Ranjay village you can find people with surname having Pasalkar. So we are now moving toward the Ranjay village. It is just near the, after 10 kilometers after Katraj tunnel, we have to take diversion, and it is a 4 kilometer away from the main highway. Now we are almost coming to the village. Village is, you can see village life and paddy fields around, and it was an important area during the Swarajya of Shivaji Maharaj. And Sinhagad Fort is also very near from here. If you want to go to Sinhagad via Kalyan Darwaja, you can trek to the Sinhagad through the Kalyan Darwaja. Kalyan Darwaja is around 10 kilometers from here. And we have almost reached the village. Now it is a winter is already set up, and the farmers are busy cutting their paddy. And we will see what is how there is also, now you can see some we are reached there, and some kids after playing cricket they are going back. This is where the Ranjeshwar temple and the water kunds are there. And there is Rajeshwar temple at Ranjagaon, old temple. This may be from the Shivaji Maharaj time. Shivaji Maharaj is supposed to be stayed at this place. This is near Khed Shivapur. When you come from Pune after crossing the Katraj tunnel around 10 kilometers, then you have to get down from the highway and come to the right side. And here you can see this is the old banyan tree. Banyan tree where I was sitting down. This is called park. And if you do, this is the way to the temple, Rajeshwar temple. Here this side, this place was used for horses, but now there are some buffaloes and cows. They are staying here. This place is famous for this old temple, and also there is supposed to be water drainage arrangement near the temple. Water from one well passes to other and then to the third one. This is the entrance. We have to get down. Backside you can see the fields where the water from this wells or kund was directed for agriculture. Backside it is mountains are there, and the Sinhagad is around 10 kilometers from here. If you go by walk, then you can climb the Sinhagad through Kalyan Darwaja. As we come down, see this temple, and there are 3 Nandis. You can see there is a main temple closed because of the corona. Local kids are playing cricket here now. Temple is closed, but the small entrance of the temple, there is idol of Ganesh and nicely carved out of stone. This side you can see one more Ganesh temple. The water kunds are there, 3 water kunds. This is the first water kund. This is the side of the temple, and water gets filled into this. There is one Ganesha idol again there, and Shiva there. See, all the 4 sides it has a small opening where maybe before they have kept some idols of God. When water overflows from this, it is coming through the Gaimukh. This is called Gaimukh. To the next kund, and you can see other end there are small opening. From this small opening, water is going to the third kund, and from the third kund you can see this passage below. It is going, and if you follow this one, below this is the water passage. You can hear the sound of water. And the water is coming out from here. You can see, and it is going to the fields. This is the other end where the water is coming out. You can see the paddy fields back side, and this side is the old palace like thing, and there is a temple inside also. This is the Gopur of the Rajeshwar temple from the side, and all around there was a wall, strong wall, which is now in ruins. तर नाव तरी सांग की तुझं. दिनेश पासलकर. बाजी प्रभू पासलकर माहिती आहे का तुला? हा, मग सांग की त्याच्याबद्दल जरा माहिती. कोण होते बाजी प्रभू पासलकर? वीर सेनापती. हा. So here we can see from the Pasalkar, Senapati Pasalkar of Shivaji Maharaj. This boy is now playing cricket. Ganesha, and inside there is this Shivling. This is the Shiv Mandir. Ganesha, and inside there is this Shivling. You can see how much is the width of this wall. This is a Nandi in front of the Shiv Mandir. Rajeshwar temple. Side of the banyan tree there is one more temple near Rajeshwar temple, and this is a Hanuman temple. And this Hanuman idol is similar to what we see what we see on the Visapur or Tikona forts. This is called Chapatdan Maruti. Chapat means he raised his hand and he is trying to kill. He is trying to hit someone with his hand. And this idol is called Chapatdan Maruti. There is a old Wada or palace-like structure which is in ruins. This side we leave the Rajeshwar temple and horse tabela. Now it is buffaloes are there. This is the entrance to the temple inside the Wada. The temple is closed. Temple is closed because of the corona. And this is the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir. There also you can see the Ganesh on top of the entrance door and nicely carved entrance. There is one idol. You can see the snake is there below. Idol is there. Everything is in ruins now. No one stays here. Wandering on the stones. And there is again Shivling and Nandi. This is in marbles. This is the pinned Shivling near the Rajeshwar temple, the other temple. And this is a Nandi. This is a Deep Mala near the temple, and this entrance is from the Wada or palace for the temple, for the lady to come. This palace, it is said that Rajmata Jijabai stayed here. Ranje also is very famous in history because Patil of Ranje was troubling the people and forcefully raping the woman. So Shivaji Maharaj summoned him, but he said, "Who is Shivaji? I am not going to go." So finally he was kidnapped and taken to Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj, this was his first punishment he gave him, to cut his hands. So Ranje Patil's hands were cut. हे आहे ते कोण आहे आतमध्ये बसलेलं? आतमध्ये कोणाचं हे आहे मूर्ती माहिती नाही. This is now old age home. This is all old construction of the Wada or palace. Everything is in ruins. There is a Tulsi Katta backside, and backside of this is the temple. The strong walls, nicely built walls, are in ruins. This is the entrance. Door to the Wada is still standing. This is a wooden door. Nothing has happened for so many years.